morning. It is Monday, March 30th, 2026. We are here on case number 26 CR 88. The matter is captioned State of Ohio versus Caleb C. Flynn. Sir, Caleb Flynn?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sir, you're kind of light spoken. If you keep your voice up so we can have an accurate record, I'd appreciate it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this matter comes on for a pretrial conference as well as a hearing on a motion for non-dissemination. Present in the courtroom on behalf of the defendant is Attorney Patrick Mulligan as well as Emily Smith. On behalf of the state is Prosecuting Attorney Paul Watkins and Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Bailey Arnett. The court met with counsel in chambers to discuss some preliminary matters. We dealt with the pretrial conference first. The counsel has exchanged discovery, or at least initial discovery. Is that accurate, Mr. Watkins?
That's correct, Your Honor. I previously turned over some discovery in this case, and then this morning turned over all discovery that's currently in my possession. Clearly with the understanding that's not going to be everything. It'll be turned over on a rolling basis as I receive it.
Okay. Mr. Mulligan, you agree you received that?
Yes, we did today, and we signed acknowledging such.
Great.
Thank you.
We also discussed matters as far as a time waiver. Defense counsel did file in the municipal court a time waiver there. The court instructed defense counsel that if he and his client intended to waive time in the common pleas court, which is our court right here, then a new time waiver would need to be filed pertaining to specific charges that have been indicted upon the defendant, as well as refer to the Ohio and federal constitutions. At this point, Mr. Mulligan has indicated that his client does not intend to file a time waiver, so the court set this for trial. Is that accurate, Mr. Mulligan?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. So at this point, a trial date has been set for April 28th. That's a Tuesday. It will be a 2-week trial beginning on that date at 8:45 a.m. In addition, if defense counsel wishes to reconsider filing a time waiver, the court has set this for a status conference on April 6th at 2 p.m. And that time waiver will address the specific specifications the court has set. We're also here for a hearing on a motion for non-dissemination of material and discovery, as well as other potential evidence that may be presented in this case. Defense counsel filed for that just last week. My understanding is that at this time, counsel would like to set that for further hearing, and we will discuss that at the status hearing, at the status conference. And Mr. Mulligan, at this time, I would request that you would make a motion here on the record for continuing today's hearing on that motion for scheduling on April 6th, where we will set an actual hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate, number one, the discussion that we had on that issue. Two, I appreciate the understanding that was discussed, and I appreciate the fact that continuance is needed for today for at least a week until we do the status conference, which would actually set a potential hearing date if we need one. In the meantime, we will be having discussions internally and also outside the office about that particular issue. Thank you.
So is that a formal motion, Mr. Mulligan?
It is. Thank you.
Right, thank you. Any objection from the state?
No objection.
All right, the court will grant for good cause shown, grant the continuance of the hearing on the motion for non-dissemination. We will further discuss that on April 6th at the status conference. During the pendency of that motion, the court will keep the attorneys to ask the attorneys to continue the status quo with regard to non-disclosure and refrain from any disclosure of evidence in this case or talking about that until we have that issue resolved. Defense counsel?
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Watkins?
No objection.
Are there any other issues we need to discuss?
Just for the record, Your Honor, Marcy's law was complied with for today's hearing.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Mulligan, anything further?
No, but thank you, Judge.
All right, well, I'll see you back on April 6th at 2 p.m. If there's nothing further, we're adjourned.
Thank you.